Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I'm going to be unboxing my FabFitFun, the starter box that I just got in the mail, and I am so excited to unbox this and see what I got. Oh. Gosh, I can't believe I just dropped it like that. So I got this because my boyfriend's sister sent me like a referral link that all I had to do was pay for shipping, which was only $5, and I got this whole box for free. And I have no idea what's in it. I didn't have to fill out any sort of questionnaire. I didn't see any preview or anything like that. So this is going to be such a surprise. For Christmas, she gave me the FabFitFun gift box, which came with like a sponge that has the body wash already in it, which smells amazing. It came with a really cute necklace. It came with a vase, and it came with face masks. So it was really great, and it made me really interested in getting the FabFitFun box. So now that I have this starter box, I'm so excited. And from there, I'm planning to get the seasonal boxes, and I'll talk a little bit more about those after I unbox this. Also, how cute is this box? Like, this is how it showed up in the mail. It's all pink and it has like makeup, little drawings all over it. It's like so my style. All right, so let's see what this is here. Oh, it's like a magazine. Wow. So this is like seriously like a magazine. It talks about different products, tips for health. Even it has horoscopes. I wonder if the FabFitFun boxes always come with this magazine thing. Okay. And then, so this here is like a note from FabFitFun. It says that this is just a taste of the top products that you'll get, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. And then on the back of the card it says what came in the box, so as I go I'll tell you what they are and the retail value. Rip right through this. Okay, so let's start with this one on top. Ooh. So this is Spongelli boxed flour in beach grass. This is a body wash and buffer. So a body wash infused buffer. I think this may be similar to what I got in my gift box, which I got that for Christmas and I started using it right away, and it still has the body wash in it. Like, you can get so many uses out of it and it still smells amazing. So let's see what this is. Yes, this seems like the same thing, and oh my gosh, this one smells so good, but it's a different scent than the one I already have. So I'm so excited to use this one next. And also it feels so nice on my skin and it feels very exfoliating. So I really like these, and I'm glad I have another one. It's paraben free, it's cruelty free, vegan, so really nice. And then about this product, it says the exfoliating texture of the sponge will instantly change into a soft, silky one as you cleanse and moisturize your body, and this retails for $16. Let's see, next, what have we got here? This is Block, and it's eye mask plus hyaluronic acid. So these are the hydrogel eye masks with hyaluronic acid. It's a 5-pack, and it says, is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look These retail for $29. These look so nice. Also cruelty-free. I love masks and I really need to work on my under eyes, so these will go to great use. And then the next thing, ooh. Oh my gosh, I was just thinking about how I needed to get new hand cream, and this is the Ahava mineral hand cream, and this is a big tube of hand cream. Like my hands, because it's wintertime, are so dry, and I also have eczema like right here on my finger, which is like extra dry and uncomfortable. So I am always putting on hand cream, and I don't have a very good hand cream right now. What I'm using is just like a scented, not very long lasting and nourishing cream. So this is so perfect for me. It says formulated with Dead Sea minerals, witch hazel, and allantoin. Never seen that word before. This mineral-rich hand cream instantly smooths rough, dry skin and restores suppleness, and this costs $33. This is so exciting. I can't wait to use it. Let's see how it smells. Oh my gosh. This smells so nice. It kind of smells like a little bit like baby powder. Very like relaxing scent. And then the last product, oh my gosh, like a tote bag. This is so cute. This is going to be such a great beach bag, and it zips. I love that. Like this could also work as like a purse, not even just a beach bag. So cute. And I love like the nautical kind of, smells a little weird, but the nautical style to it. Okay, so this tote, it's from Summer and Rose. It's the Brittany tote, and it says it comes in black, navy, or cobalt blue. I think maybe I have the cobalt blue color or the navy. It says rope handles, stripes on stripes, vegan leather. This tote deserves a spot in your handbag collection. It also features 2 pockets, making it easy to carry around the essentials. Retails for $54. See how it looks inside. Ooh, yeah, it's nice because it's lined. And then it does have like the pockets on the inside here. Yeah, this looks like a really nice quality bag. So everything I got the tote, I got the eye masks, I got the body wash sponge, and I got the hand cream. They are all products that are so cool. I'm so excited to use, and all together the retail value is $132, and that's just like a smaller version of the regular FabFitFun box. I feel like this is such a perfect starter set that now I am just so excited for the next season's box. And so a little bit more about FabFitFun. So you get, I believe, 6 to 8 full-size products in every seasonal box that retails about $200 or more, but you only have to pay, I think it's $49.99. But in my description box down below, I have a $10 off promo code, and I also have my referral link down below if you want to try the FabFitFun box out for yourself. I am so excited about this. I know a lot of people that do the subscription and they love it. And what I didn't get to do with this box, but you do get to do with the seasonal boxes, is you get to choose between 2 different items for a few of the different items in your box. So maybe you get to choose like essential oils versus like a skincare item or jewelry, something like that, which is great that you get that kind of flexibility. And then something that really sold me on doing FabFitFun is that you can do add-ons. So you can, for like a fraction of the regular price, add on different items to your subscription. Like I saw the Sol de Janeiro like Bum cream on there for $19, which I use that cream every day, and it's $45, and it never goes on sale. Even at Black Friday, it was not on sale anywhere. So when I saw those different add-ons like at such amazing prices, I was like, I need to do this subscription box just for that add-on feature, because I love shopping for a good deal. So if you're like me and you want those add-ons, I definitely recommend doing that subscription. And I want to say thank you so much to Lisa for referring me to this, and so that I could get this basically free box, like for $5, the stuff that I got. That's amazing. I'm going to get so much great use out of everything I've gotten from FabFitFun so far. And thank you to you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I upload a new video of trying a new makeup product every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.